quick little Sunday vlog for you guys. Hope you enjoy it, and sorry about the music, just felt like it. So I did not like the way I decorated my tree before. It looked plain, and I've never been good at decorating trees. I wish I was, but I'm not. So I decided that I wanted to have like white tips on the tree, on the branches. So we're putting snow in a can. I have the girls out there spraying it all over, and we left it outside all day so that it can properly dry up. And then we brought it back in, and I tried to do like a decoration decor thing that I saw on Pinterest, and I think it did okay. It'll show at later on in the video, and I'll do a before and after of what it looked like and how it is now, and I really like how it is now. And my husband is barbecuing on this Sunday. He always barbecues on Sundays, and we are having freezing weather tomorrow. So he bought these lights. We haven't put lights on the house, I don't know in how many years, maybe 7 years. He saw these at Walmart, and he said he had to buy them. So while he's working outside and we're working on the tree, I am making steak lime soft tacos. I'm making these quick tacos. My daughter is making a homemade apple pie recipe. Sunday vibes. Just looking at her little recipe over there. It does look like a lot of salt. She's in culinary class, so she's getting some recipes from her that her teacher sends in emails. So when you are ready for a quick lunch, I think tacos is the easiest and best way to go. Quick cooking up some meat, lettuce, tomato. I put some queso fresco with some avocado slices on it. Guys, these tacos were so delish. I really did like them. I've made them before, so I was like, you know what, this is fast and easy, so that's what. Quick little montage for you guys. You know, video never can do food justice. You have to see it in person. Okay, still drying, barbecuing as well. Putting lights on the house. Great. Yep. Looking good, guy. Couldn't resist buying this at the store. Popcorn. Yum yum. Yep. So you like baking?
Yeah.
We had this conversation earlier. She asked me, do you like cooking or baking? Or what do you think is harder? And I'm not a baker. Like, to me, what she's doing, this is hard. I don't have the patience to do this. I would rather cook a big meal than to make a homemade pie with pie crust. Homemade pie crust. So I prefer cooking. And I think she said, what did you say was harder for you, cooking?
Yeah.
She doesn't really like to cook. She loves to bake. Since she was little, she has loved to bake. She's known how to make a cake and cookies since she was like, I want to say 10 years old. She's always been baking. So she does her thing. This pie takes a while because she has to refrigerate that for 2 hours. So it took her a total like 4 hours just to do that. And this tree finally got dry. We put it inside, put some lights on it, and I'm gonna start decorating. I couldn't record it because I couldn't find my tripod, and I was the one recording it. Everybody was busy doing something. That's how the lights look. It looks like we needed one more strand, but I said, oh heck. Oh, you can see my tree. I didn't even notice that when I was recording. But yeah, so this was what we did today. It's been a long day. I wish I could have recorded, you know, the decorating of the tree and everything. But she's doing really good. She did her pie filling. She's putting it in there, and she's just going to show the process on it. So enjoy. She's sprinkling some brown sugar in it. You guys, I was so proud watching her do this. She's been in culinary class this year. She was in it last year, and this year they're starting to do bigger things like this. And it amazes me every time she does something. I've never even made a pie. I made pies, but I've never made homemade crust or anything like that. So it was a proud moment for the mama and daddy. He sure did tear it up. It was really, really good too. But I'm so proud of her, guys. It's really cool. I don't think we had this class when I was in school, but if we did, I sure do regret not taking it. How many of you guys had this option when you were in school? What did they have this class, and do your kids have this class? I'm interested to know. Great job. Okay, so this is going in the oven for 25 minutes at 375 degrees. If you guys want to see my daughter bake this and do her own video, let your girl know and we can make that happen. Cause this looks bomb. Meanwhile, the chicken is ready. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. Her pie came out so amazing, you guys. Look how beautiful it is. I'm so proud of her. And it tasted so good. They put vanilla ice cream on top. I think I have a clip of that coming up. But it looks so, so delicious. Everyone enjoyed it. Everyone tore it up. It didn't even last. So I'm so proud of her, you guys. Okay, I'm going to end the vlog here because I have another video that I'm doing. It's already... It is late, you guys. I have to still edit and get this one going up for tomorrow. I'm cooking this overnight, a little crock pot recipe. Anyways, you guys have a blessed one. I will see you on the next video. One in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind